Good morning, all my classmates. Today is Thursday, August 27, 2020, and it is my great pleasure to be present at this public speaking course. First, I would like to thank to Venerable Jakhu Jodega, the founder of this school, the organizer of this school, for kindly giving me the opportunity to participate in it. I'm really delighted and deeply appreciate having this rare opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Chai Wun Phet. I'm 17 years old. I was born in 2002, September 2nd. My father name is Chai Wun Mi and my mother's name is Nang Phat. I have two sisters. They are Nang Hom Keo and Nang Kham Hom. I'm the big one. My father is a driver and my mother is a salesperson, and also they are farmer. My hobby is play football and play basketball, also tennis, table tennis, and I like to sing. And I want to be a captain. Yeah. I have been learning here near 14 months, also last year. And I know that it's not enough for me to be a perfect at speaking English. Yeah, because I want to be a captain. Yeah, I need to use my English. And today I'm gonna talk about my life at Kinh Tung. I came here at Kinh Tung in 2010. Yes, because my father and my mother, they are divorced, and I need to study in Kinh Tung. Yeah, and at the age of 7, I came to Kinh Tung, and I have only girlfriend. Yeah. I used to play with girl. Also my elder sister, but not the real one. And my sister all are girl. No one boy, only me. And also in school, I used to play with girl a lot. How to say? Like near like Pat. Yeah. Yeah. I play with girl a lot. And my heart a little change, but not now. There is one boy. His name is Chai Nu Mao, and he oh his name is Chai Nu Mao. Yes, I used to play with him, and we go to play football together, and I become a footballer. And grade 7, yeah, I used to play play with a big person like 18 blood. Yeah, I used to play with them. And grade 8, grade 9, oh no, grade 7, grade 8, I played around Kingdong. And grade 9, I used to, yes, I went to Yangon to play the city or what, I don't know. Yeah, and I lose. And I came back at Kingdong, and I don't want to be a footballer. I just want to play for my when I lazy, I have nothing to do, and I want to play like that. And I also used to have girlfriend. Yeah, and I also learn from them a lot. One girl, one thing are not the same. Yeah, and when I was grade 7, I used to have girlfriend bigger than me. I was grade 7 and her was older than me. Yes. Her was grade 10. Yes, grade 10. Grade 10, not yeah, grade 10 and leader. How to say? Fresher. Oh yeah, you know, yeah. And I broken at the age of grade 12, 11, 12. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. I didn't cry. Yeah, I didn't cry. Yeah, and how to say? I have another, and I used to note one girl, not the same. Yeah, not the same. Like yeah, and I can see if like this. I can see you, and you love who, and I see like this. I also can know. Yeah, because I used to study about that. Yeah. Also now I study about that. Yeah. You will sing, yeah, for me. I think why girl want to have boyfriend like a very handsome, yeah, very rich. For what? Yeah. Then now I know. I learned from teacher Kamja, and she said. Many for start our life. If have no money, we can't go on. Like I see girl only 1 month or 2 months, and not 1 month, 2 months, 15 days, and become a girlfriend, boyfriend. Yeah, it can't go on. Like me now, I'm broke a lot. Yeah, I now also I'm broken. Yeah. And I used to talk with one girl that we used to talk, and I learned from her a lot. She said, if for her, if want to be like a girlfriend like that, we need to learn about 1 year, that 1 year or 2 years. For become a relationship like a yeah. Now I try to learn about her. Yeah. And I also afraid to have new. Yeah. Yes. Maybe I don't know how to say. I afraid to have because it hurt. But the first when I already told, right? When I was young, my heart is the pink one. My heart, yeah. And I used to have a lot, and my heart changed, like a strong enough, yeah, strong enough for study about that. It's strong enough. And also I know you need to start with many about my life. Many is important. You can say many is not important for us. Only love enough. Yeah, you can't. Like the teacher said, if you love with heart, you can eat right with salt or not. Every day you can't. If you eat every day, you can be a cow. Yeah, it's not good. And like if I have girlfriend, my girlfriend also have job for me. I also have, yeah, like this. We can go on a long time, and we can marry, right? Yeah, if like a girl didn't have job, also me don't have. We can't go on. If we become a girlfriend, boyfriend, we just 2 months, 2 years, 3 years, and broken and hurt again, and start again. It's not, how to say, no use. Yeah, no